How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Just 4 ingredients to remove dental plaque and tooth decay. Whiten your teeth instantly. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy. It's making your yellow teeth turn to white and pearl teeth. First, we need a grapefruit. It kills harmful bacteria and get rid of dead cells because it contains milk acids and enzyme that promote the production of saliva. It's a major component to remove discoloration. Now, cut the grapefruit and squeeze it into a clean bowl. That's so easy. 1 ingredient, 1 step. Then dip your toothbrush in the juice and brush your teeth for 1 minute. Dip your toothbrush again in the juice and continue brushing for 3 minutes. Do it gently to avoid causing injury to your gums. Oh, you don't want your teeth to bleed. Repeat this remedy twice a week for best results. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.